Hi everyone, this is practice formative of chapter 3, question number 11. So the question says, Tommy moves in his roller skates at the rate of change in displacement ds by dt. So this is the first information that we have. Okay, meter per second, where t is the time in second. At t equals to 3, Tommy is 4 meters away from his starting place. So we got to find the displacement. So we are given the rate of displacement. So now we need to find the displacement, which means displacement is s. So from ds by dt equals to t squared plus 9. So I just want the s. So the differentiation notation bring across to the other side. The inverse of it will be integrating t squared plus 9 with respect of t. So copy everything, plus 1 to the power divided by the new power. Right, and then plus c. So this is s equals to t cubed over 3 plus 9t plus c. Just write the s here. And then when t equals to 3, s equals to 4. So with this information, let's substitute into our equation of s so that we can find what is the value of c. So 3 to the power 3 over 3 plus 9 times 3 plus c. So this one we simplify, become 2. So 9 plus 27 plus c. Therefore, c will equals to 4 minus 36. So negative 32. Therefore, s equals to t cubed over 3 plus 9t minus 32. So now we need to find the displacement when t equals to 10. So when t equals to 10, s equals to 10 cubed over 3 plus 9 times 10 minus 32. Okay, this one, the number is not a simple whole number. So let's use the calculator. So the answer is 391 and 1 over 3. 391 and 1 over 3 meter. Okay, that's it for question number 11.